There it is. That's a big old storm base right there. And that's where we're stopping. Definite wall cloud. Textbook wall cloud on that. Alright. Yep, that is rotating a little bit. I don't see any funnels or anything dangling under there. Yeah, we're getting hit by the RFD. Strong RFD! Strong RFD! Strong rear flank downdraft. Holy crap, that is whipping. Let's get in. Alright, which way? There's the RFD side up there. And there's the tornado will be right at the end of that. It's so rain rapid. Alright, we're gonna head south. And power out. Okay, that's a bad sign. We just had a power outage.